Welcome to the world of financial analysis in Google Sheets. Today we talk about the VIX indicator, also known as the fear gauge. It is a popular measure used in the financial markets to gauge investor sentiment and the market volatility. By understanding the VIX, you can gain valuable insights into the market expectations. In this quick tutorial, we will explore how to import the VIX data into Google Sheets, analyze its historical trends, and create charts to visualize its behavior over time. So now let's get started with the Google Finance comment. Let's say Google Finance, it's suggesting the comment already. Then now it's important to know the ticker of the VIX indicator, and it's an index, and it's an index from the CBOE stock exchange, and then you do a VIX by the end, and this is the indicator or the ticker we are looking for. Then we have another attribute we can apply, it's the price. And now if we close this comment, we get the last known VIX price. But in some cases, you want to know the historical trends. So you can extend the existing comment by the start date. For example, I want to know the last 300 VIX numbers. So I do a -300 and up to today and click enter. Now I get all the historical values from this ticker. Next, I want to plot this on a chart. We can use a simple line chart, and we can see the VIX indicator. It's progressing to the bottom and close to 10 already. And if you're curious if these are extreme values or if it's a very common value, you can apply a histogram, and it gives you a valuable insight that, for example, the VIX indicator was in this time frame most of the time around 20. So you know, like if the VIX goes to the upper section like 30, then it's very rare, and it might go back to the most common value, which was around 20. I hope this was helpful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that I can make more videos about financial market analysis in Google Sheets. Thank you very much, and bye bye.